Hello everyone, welcome to my video again. So today I am going to replace the rear discs on my daily drive. It's not a Volvo. In fact, let me just take a quick video around of what I have. It's disgustingly dirty at the moment. So yes, I have a Ford Fiesta ST Mountune in blue, and hardly a sensible daily drive, but it's my daily. So without further ado, let's get started on the brakes. So I've never actually done brakes on this car before. This is what I'm replacing today. As you can see, like, they're just completely, absolutely past it. I'll also give it all a quick clean up. The first thing we need to do, undo the caliper from the bracket. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. And it's off. Just need to clear up these surfaces now. And I'm actually going to put the bracket back on in order to turn caliper back, which I enjoys. I'm using these. I haven't got a wind back tool, but we'll give it a go. I need to go get some grease, probably go have a drink and come back. And the disc's ready to go on, nice and coated now. So that's one side done. That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, but we're done. We're done. Now onto the other side. Why is it when doing a job, it always takes so much longer than you anticipated for? And it's warm. It's dying. I suppose it gets you outside. I mean, when you're doing these sorts of jobs, do you do them yourself, or do you take them to a garage? I mean, all in all, it's cost me about £40 in parts, £45 in parts. So. Makes sense, really. For this, to wind the caliper back in, I put the caliper back on, because you have to put quite a lot of force to wind it back in, you see. Put it all back together by the discs and the pads. It gives you enough leverage, pressure, to push it back in. I'm done now. I finished. My phone actually died halfway through finishing. That was annoying, but turned out on the other side, the pins that the caliper moves on had seized, so I actually ended up having to take off the other side and de-seizing them and greasing them and making sure they're all working again. So yeah, that was that. But here's what they look like. At the moment, I haven't driven. I'm just about to go off and do that. I know I'm going to get a lot of odd reactions to that method of protecting the disc, but literally within a couple of minutes, it's no longer going to exist. I'm all cleaned up. That was a long, tough job. For some reason, it always ends up being longer than you anticipated. I'm going to go off for a quick drive now. I'm actually going to go to the shops, go pick up some essentials, and hopefully that's the end of that, really. The only thing I've got to remember to do is de-chuck the wheels, and also I have got to make sure to pump the brake before driving off, because otherwise I'll be left with no brake. Not what I want. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, everybody, and if you have anything to say, please leave it in the comment section below. Cheers. Thank you very much. Bye. Just to prove that it's all right to do, there's the discs. Nice and clean. Let's go look at the other side. There we go. Nice and clean.